Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Vimla Manne. I'm a dermatologist, cosmetologist and trichologist with 18 years of practice, and we have two centers at Hyderabad, one in Rayadurgam Gachibowli and another in Medipatnam. So we are planning to spread these centers all across India, pan-India and international as well. So what I am going to talk today is about anti-aging treatments. In anti-aging treatments, there are various anti-aging treatments starting from mild fruit peels, which we call chemical peels, but they are made from fruit extracts. And we have various other treatments like your HIFU, high intensity ultrasound, focused ultrasound. Then we have Thermage. We have something called as non-surgical thread lift. Then we have microneedling radiofrequency. We have radiofrequency, skin tightening radiofrequency, both monopolar and bipolar. And we have procedures like Botox, botulinum toxin, and injections like fillers, which is hyaluronic acid fillers, which are very safe. And various other techniques we use like platelet-rich plasma treatment, microneedling. These are the things, and microbotox, which also improve the texture of the skin and quality of the skin. So when we are talking about anti-aging, we give a perfect regime, a tailor-made regime depending on the skin of the patients, because first, to prevent further aging is most important. And sunscreen is supposed to be the most important armamentarium in the topical creams, which prevents or postpones aging, because of sunlight, UV light, even the cell phone screens, blue light, and the laptop light. Post-COVID era, where many people are getting exposed to these forms of light as well, aging signs rapidly progress. So sunscreen is very important, a broad spectrum sunscreen which protects not only from UV light but also from visible light, from infrared rays, and the blue light which is emitted from the mobile cell phone screens and the laptops. So good protection sunscreen is the most important anti-aging cream. So use that religiously, and the kind of sunscreen for your skin is suggested by the dermatologist after taking a consultation when you come down to our clinic or through video consultation. So good sunscreen, a face wash, a good anti-aging moisturizer, and some anti-aging night creams will be suggested as maintenance post-procedure, so that you don't require procedures often or frequently. So what are these anti-aging regimes? So when we talk about this anti-aging, what does a fruit peel does? It does a little bit of skin rejuvenation, mild production of collagen is done. So all the anti-aging treatments make the skin healthier, thicker, and the anti-aging treatments will vary in the production of collagen. So if you are going for a mild treatment and a less expensive treatment like a fruit peel, then the collagen production will be there, but to a lesser extent. But if you are going for MNRF, or if you are going for platelet-rich plasma treatment, so MNRF, as I said, is microneedling radiofrequency. These two treatments, they will also help in the fine lines to improve, but collagen production is slightly more. If you go for HIFU, high intensity focused ultrasound, because of the tightening of the skin ligaments and the fascia, the tightening happens, and then the toning of the skin happens and the skin becomes tighter. So you will not have the look of a double chin. Your V shape is much more prominent, the Korean V shape, and if that you want to even more better extent, then it is possible through non-surgical thread lift, where we use 3D COG threads which are US FDA approved, and we lift the skin. So both the sides we lift like this, and suppose if I lift these two areas, you will see this fold is being elevated and this line is also being elevated. So this side of the face is much younger than this side of the face. That can happen with a non-surgical thread lift. So without a surgery, within 2 weeks, you will look little younger, and after 3 months to 6 months, you will look 5 years younger, and people will not even know that what you have done. So the downtime is not much. There is little bit of pain for a week, definitely, but people will not know that you've done something. Another miracle anti-aging treatments are your botulinum and your fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers. Botulinum works for around 3 months to maximum of 6 months, which you have to repeat it. Very safe. It just relaxes the facial muscles which you keep on using. So whenever you're expressing, when you're laughing, smiling, or raising your forehead, whatever lines come, these muscles will be relaxed, and so the wrinkles will actually not be visible for a couple of months, and you have to get it repeatedly done once in 3 months and 6 months, and they're absolutely safe, and whatever the results are reversible. If you don't like it, it will wean off in 3 to 6 months. Fillers are very safe. They are hyaluronic acid fillers which we use. It is a substance which is similar to the tissue in the skin. So this hydrating fillers are absolutely safe, no side effects, but they have to be done by trained, experienced doctors and dermatologists, basically, who understand the anatomy of the face. So side effects are least in good, safe, experienced hands. So once you do a filler, the results last for anywhere between 9 months to 1 year. And as I said, again we inject into the folds, again we inject into the areas where there's volume loss or fat loss or bone resorption is there, and this will help. So whatever it is to look young, beautiful, confident and true you, and to postpone the aging signs and to reverse the aging signs, we are always there to help you. Thank you so much.